Welcome. If you're looking to block someone on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to block someone on Instagram directly from your desktop. It's quick, easy, and a great way to keep your online space safe. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you're in, it's time to find the person you want to block. To do this, simply head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the username of the person you want to block. Instagram will show you a list of accounts related to your search, so just click on the right profile to open their page. Now, when you're on their profile, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of their profile page. These dots are the menu button that gives you more options. Click on them to reveal a list of actions. From the drop-down menu, select Block. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to block this account. Don't worry, the blocked user won't be notified, but you'll no longer be able to see their posts, and they won't be able to interact with you. Once you confirm, that's it. You've successfully blocked the person on Instagram from your PC. If you ever change your mind, you can follow the same steps to unblock them. It's a simple process, but it helps you maintain control over who can access your content. So, that's it for today's tutorial. Blocking someone on Instagram using a PC is really straightforward. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.